Good morning, Math 2. This is Mr. Hewitt. Today is Friday, the 10th of April, and I hope you guys are doing well. So before we get started, I'd like you guys to pause the video and get all your tools, whatever you need. So get your scrap paper, your pencils, your eraser, and also pull up your student-facing document on your computer. All right, thank you. All right, guys. So today we are going to be looking at whether a system of equations is consistent or inconsistent, and dependent or independent. Okay, so before we go any further, I want you guys to pause this video that we are on right now and watch the video in the link below, and then resume watching this video. All right, so take a minute and watch that video and then resume this video. All right, guys, welcome back. Hopefully you understood what was taught there. I'm going to show you my whiteboard and do a quick review of what the video was about. So if you look at my whiteboard here, I have three graphs, all right? If you look at the first graph, you'll notice that the lines intersect at one point. In such a case, we would say that there's only one solution, okay? We would also say that this system is consistent, and we would also say that it is independent, okay? If you look at the second graph, we have two lines, but both lines are on top of each other, okay? So we would say that such a system has infinitely many solutions. We'd also say that such a system is consistent, and we would say that such a system is dependent, okay? So as opposed to this system that only has one solution, this system is dependent because all solutions are common for both our lines, okay? So independent, dependent, all right? Over here we have two lines, but there are no solutions because these lines do not intersect, and these lines are not on top of each other. They're not the same. So we would say that such a system has no solution, all right? We would also say that such a system is inconsistent. So notice that these two systems are consistent, but this system is considered to be inconsistent. So whenever you have a system that has no solution, it is considered to be inconsistent, okay? So let's look at the example in your packet, okay? So here you have number 5, okay? There are two lines. It doesn't look like it, but there are two lines. They're on top of each other. So what would we say in this case? We would say that this system has infinitely many solutions. We'd also say that this system is consistent. And we would say that this system is dependent. This system is dependent, all right? Because all the points are common for both lines. That makes it dependent, all right? And remember that whenever there's only one solution, in other words, when the lines intersect at one point, that would be considered to be independent. All right, guys. So you are going to get a chance now to practice your work on your own, okay? You have 4 problems, all right? And you also have your exit ticket. So you are going to do the independent practice and then your exit ticket. And I'd like you guys to upload your exit tickets to Google Classroom so I can give you feedback and a grade. All right. All right, guys. So today's Friday. See you on Tuesday for live support. Tuesday at 10:30. Okay, the link is going to be in Google Classroom, and come on, ask your questions. Don't be shy. All right, let's get this done, guys. All right, so you guys have a great weekend, and God bless. Thanks for tuning in.